If you make this mistake, you will not get any benefit from yoga asanas. There isn't a single, universally accepted definition of the number of stages in a yoga pose. This perspective emphasizes the flow of movement within a pose. The 3 stages are: entering, preparation. This involves safely moving your body into the pose with proper alignment and breath awareness. Holding, sustaining. This is the main part of the pose where you maintain the posture with awareness and stability, utilizing appropriate breathing techniques. This is the complete position of the asana. Exiting, release. This involves slowly and mindfully releasing from the pose, returning to a neutral or resting position. Some people start making a particular mistake while practicing asanas due to which they do not get special benefits. The mistake that many people make is that they stop breathing after going into the complete posture. Holding the breath while going into the asana means that you have blocked the flow of prana. You go into a posture to increase the circulation of blood to a particular place and to increase the pranic energy in that place, so that that place can heal and be healed. But if you stop breathing, pranic energy will not reach that place properly and you will not get health benefits. In some special situations in sadhana, breath holding is prescribed, but that is a different aspect. If you are practicing yoga to get physical benefits, then you should not hold your breath while going into the asana. Always keep this in mind. Therefore, keep in mind that when you are in the complete state of the asana, you have to keep breathing slowly and deeply.
Enjoy the video. If you like it, then don't forget to like and share. If you are new to the channel, then please subscribe. Write in the comments and tell us what you think about this video.